How to fix Wi-Fi adapter missing on Windows. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So the first thing you're going to have to do is see if your Wi-Fi is running or not. But if you cannot see your Wi-Fi network settings, then you're going to have to go ahead and open your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, then go to devicemanagement.msc, click on OK. Now go to network adapters. And if you're able to see your network adapter, go ahead and right click on it to update the driver. Now click on browse for my computer and then let me pick from the list. Now select any one of these. So select the latest version. Click on next. And now it will install the driver and update it on your PC. As you can see, it's updating right now. And once the driver is updated, you will be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network again like this. Now, the next step is to go to Action and then check for hardware changes. So if there are any hardware changes happening, it will scan them and now go to View and then Show Hidden Devices. So let's say if this is the direct virtual adapter second, right click on this and then click on Update Driver. Do the same thing and then close it out. What you can do next is go to File. You should be able to add a legacy hardware. So click on this, click on Next, install hardware that I manually select. Now what you're going to have to do is find the network driver here or the network adapter. So I'm just going to go to network adapter and then click on Next. And then from here, it will retrieve all of these options. So if you don't know the manufacturer or the model, you can Google it. I have the manufacturer and model right here. It's Qualcomm. So you can select the one from one that Google shows you. So just search for the driver, network adapter driver on and enter your laptop's model, and then it will show you guys. Now click on next and you should be able to install the adapter right here. After doing this, just go ahead and give it a restart and your PC should be fixed. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll see you on the next video.